Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docens Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most important skills in any language, how to greet in English. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time, greeting a friend, or talking to a colleague, knowing how to use the right greetings will help you sound friendly and confident. So, let's go over some basic English greetings, when to use them, and how to respond. Hello or hi. These are the most common and versatile greetings in English. Use hello or hi when you want to greet someone in a neutral and friendly way. For example, hello, how are you, or just hi. You can use these greetings in both formal and informal settings. Hi is a little more casual, but both are great for almost any situation. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Use these greetings depending on the time of day. Say good morning from sunrise until noon, good afternoon from noon until 5 or 6 p.m., and good evening after 6 p.m. For example, good morning. How's your day going, or good evening. Nice to see you. These greetings are perfect for more formal situations, such as in the workplace or when meeting someone for the first time. How are you? This is a very common way to start a conversation. It's more than just a greeting, it shows that you're interested in how the other person is feeling. You can respond with, I'm good, thank you. And you, or I'm fine, thanks. How about you? If you want to sound a little more casual, you can use, how's it going, or how are you doing, instead. Nice to meet you. Use this greeting when you're meeting someone for the first time. For example, hello, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. You can respond with, nice to meet you too, or it's a pleasure to meet you. This is a polite and professional way to show that you're happy to connect with someone. Hey, or what's up? These greetings are informal and best used with friends or people you know well. Hey is a casual version of hi. You can also say, hey, what's up, or just, what's up, to ask how someone is doing in a more relaxed way. You can respond with, not much, or just hanging out. How about you? Use these greetings when you want to keep things light and friendly. How have you been? Use this greeting if you haven't seen someone in a while. For example, hi, how have you been? This greeting shows that you're interested in catching up with them. You can respond with, I've been great, thanks, or I've been busy, but good. How about you? It's a great way to reconnect with someone after some time apart. Long time no see. This is an informal way of greeting someone you haven't seen in a long time. For example, hey, long time no see. How's everything? Use it when you want to express surprise and happiness at seeing someone after a while. You can respond with, yeah, it's been a while. I'm doing well, thanks. It's good to see you. Use this greeting when you're happy to see someone again. For example, hi, John. It's good to see you. This is a warm and friendly way to greet someone, and you can respond with, it's good to see you too, or great to see you as well. It's perfect for both friends and colleagues. How's everything, or how's life? These are informal greetings you can use to ask someone how they've been or what's new in their life. For example, hi, Sarah. How's everything, or hey, how's life? You can respond with everything's good, thanks, or life's been busy, but good. These greetings are great for starting a more relaxed conversation. When ending a conversation, use goodbye in more formal situations, such as after a meeting or with someone you don't know well. For example, goodbye, it was nice meeting you. In informal settings, you can say, see you later, or just, see you. For example, see you later. Have a great day. These phrases leave the conversation on a positive note. To recap, use hello or hi for almost any situation, good morning/afternoon/evening depending on the time of day, how are you, to ask about someone's well-being, and nice to meet you when meeting someone for the first time. For informal situations, try hey or what's up to sound more casual. With these greetings, you'll be able to start any conversation confidently and make a great first impression in English. Practice using them in different situations to become more comfortable, and don't be afraid to mix and match depending on who you're speaking to. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more easy English lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and happy learning!